Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube account permanently. So let's get started. First, open the YouTube app or website. Go to the U tab and here you'll see all of your uploaded videos if you have any. Now, if you're sure that you want to remove everything, so go ahead and head back, then open your Google account settings. Once you're there, look for the option called Data and Privacy and tap on it. Scroll down a little and you'll see a section called Apps and Services. Tap on that. Now inside here you'll find the option Delete a Service. Select it and Google will ask you to enter your account password for security reasons. Type in your password and then it will take you to the page where you can manage services linked to your account. On this page, look for YouTube. Tap on it and you'll see an option that says I want to permanently delete my content. Before you continue, make sure you understand that this will remove all of your videos, playlists, comments, subscriptions, basically everything tied to your channel. Once you're ready, tick the boxes to confirm that you understand and then tap on the Delete My Content button. Google will ask you to type in your Gmail address again just to confirm. Type it carefully and then hit the final Delete My Content button. After this, you'll see a notification on a new window that confirms your YouTube content has been permanently deleted. Now, if you go back and check your channel, you'll notice that all of your videos and data are gone. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions.